What's up guys, hope you guys are having a great day so far. After this video I'm gonna put a little 2 videos in that I had taken yesterday. The first video was coming back from St. Francis. I went with my dad to St. Francis. He had to drop off a few things. I actually had fun with it. But yesterday I didn't really feel like picking up the camera, and I'm sorry for that. But you guys are gonna have a great time watching this video, because in this video it's gonna be these 2 clips from yesterday. Then it's gonna be a prank on my mom, which is a flower cough prank, judging by the title. And then after that, you guys will see what I've been working on with my merchandise, which is obviously the t-shirts and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys later on.
Check out my Gucci slippers. Yes, yes.
What's wrong? I'll keep coughing.